and the blockchain sector is booming and no longer just a futuristic tech concept. It is today's technology. For tech enthusiasts to thrive in this fast-paced, competitive world, a clear understanding of every development in the industry is crucial. This monthly report simplifies blockchain analysis, offering a straightforward overview of the sector's latest developments. Using high-quality data ensures the utmost clarity in this exploration. So let's dive into the report to stay updated on the rapidly transforming blockchain landscape and to remain informed about all the major trends that the data collected for the month recognizes. A primary analysis of the performance of a blockchain for a particular month can be done using total value locked. The total value locked in a blockchain's decentralized finance ecosystem reflects the aggregate value of assets locked in smart contracts. A rising TVL indicates adoption, economic activity, and user trust, suggesting a positive month of robust DeFi participation, enhancing the overall performance of the blockchain. Here are the top 10 blockchains based on the overall TVL and dominance data. A blockchain performance analysis based on total value locked and dominance reveals Ethereum's significant lead, commanding a TVL of $34.81 billion. This constituted a dominant 72.49%, and this is a total server that replaced the pre-subject with over certain risk of fitness settings. Mini shared Mini states that it's simply we are looking at what is the Optimism, Polygon Pass, Avalanche, Mana Pacific, and Base contribute to the ecosystem, each with TVLs ranging from $919 million to $415 million, and dominance percentages from 1.91% to 0.87%. Among the top 10 contestants is Chronos Trails, with a TVL of $336 million and 70%. Now let's reanalyze the top blockchains which dominate the blockchain sector in terms of the YTD TVL data, with the 30-day TVL movement data to know how much movement these top chains have witnessed in the last 30 days. Reanalyzing the top blockchains based on their 30-day total value lock movement provides valuable insights into their performance. It unveils nuanced patterns, with Solana and Ethereum reading positively. Outliers like Mana Pacific raise intriguing questions about emerging players in the blockchain landscape. Ethereum, a pioneer, stands at 19.6%, reflecting consistent growth. Mana Pacific's staggering 880.2% surge raises eyebrows and insistently levels of the factors driving an unprecedented. And Solana's remarkable 24.4% surge indicates increasing interest and adoption. AMD Smart Chain at 13.6% showcases steady development, while Arbitrum 1 and Optimism at 14.6% and 4.9% respect a positive trend in Layer 2 solutions. Surprisingly, Polygon POS displays a minimal 0.6% movement, emphasizing its stable position. Contrastingly, Avalanche records a 9.2% decline, prompting scrutiny into potential challenges affecting its TVL. Likewise, Base's negative 2.2% dip may also hint at underlying issues, but once it does, let's see how things will appear when we do the performance analysis solely based on the 30-day TVL movement date. The recent 30-day total value lock movement across various blockchain reveals intriguing insights into the dynamics of the blockchain space. Let's delve into the notable performers and their respective drivers. Mana Pacific experienced an extraordinary 886% surge in TVL, primarily attributed to its strategic New Paradigm campaign. Launched in December 14th last year, the campaign rewarded users who bridged Ethereum to Mana Pacific, offering box pieces as incentives. Users accumulating 25 pieces were eligible for a non-fungible token. The TVL peaked in mid-January, showcasing the campaign's success. However, a potential decline post-mid-January is anticipated as users claim rewards, hinting that some participants might have been solely motivated from the airdrop. This is indicative of a scenario where investors may have engaged with Mana Pacific for short-term gains rather than long-term commitment. OPBNB demonstrated a notable 193.3% increase in TVL, driven by factors such as the BNB Chain's TVL incentive program. This program encouraged DFI projects to boost their TVL and the OpBnB, contributing to the platform's substantial growth. The incentive-driven approach seems effective in attracting projects and capital to the platform, highlighting the importance of strategic programs in influencing TVL. Sci Network observed a significant 161% increase in TVL, attributed to the impending Sci V2 upgrade scheduled for 2024. This upgrade promises substantial enhancements, including optimistic parallelization and EVM compatibility. Sci's technical superiority and support from reputable venture capitalists indicates strong investor confidence. A surge in the liquid staking token, Scyler, and the dominance of Astroport in the Sci-based applications market further affirmed the network's growth. And Metis Andromeda experienced 122.3% growth, owing to a few important developments. MetaStyle Foundation's Metis Andromeda showcases a strategic move by establishing a $110 million eco-fund, allocating 4.6 million Metis tokens, supports various activities including sequencer mining and new project development. The decentralization of Metis' sequencer is a key development, potentially improving network efficiency and transparency. Investors see this move as a positive factor for Metis' growth. The association with Natalia Ameline, a team member and the mother of Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, adds an interesting dimension to Metis' story. Apart the top four, which experienced commendable growth, Ronin, Solana, Starknet, Ethereum, Arbitrum One, and BNB Smart Chain, also witnessed noteworthy TVL increases ranging from 13.1% to 26.3% as a foundational player. Ethereum showed a 19.2% increase, reflecting its sustained relevance in the market. In short, the 30-day TVL movement data reflects diverse strategies across different blockchain networks, ranging from incentive programs to technical upgrades, while short-term motivations like airdrops can drive rapid access and drive values. While the purpose with the FOLO residents of the safety residence and generational residences, while particular visits at rest out will win their 4 wins, are still direct plays. By focusing on 4 analysis factors, you can gain insights into each blockchain's economic strength, development activity, market stability. Let's assess the economic activity within each blockchain's ecosystem. A higher TVL transaction volume and revenue may indicate a more vibrant and utilized blockchain. Ethereum dominates the blockchain landscape with a total value locked of $32.92 billion US, reflecting its significant user engagement. Ethereum's high transaction volume of $755.75 million US and $75 million US underscores robust economic activity. The notable revenue of $7.75 million US further solidifies its position as a thriving blockchain among the prominent blockchains in the market. And produces $75 million, a series of $1 billion, $75 million, and mainly $15 million across the Columbia, so 75 cents. Tron makes it with a CPR that is in monetization. Binance Smart Chain and Arbitrum exhibit lower TVLs but demonstrate considerable economic activity. BSC's transaction volume and revenue outpace Arbitrum, showcasing diverse use cases. Despite a TVL of $1.35 billion US, Solana boasts an impressive transaction volume and revenue, reflecting a highly active ecosystem. And Polygon, Optimism, and Avalanche exhibit lower TVLs, yet their transaction volumes and revenues suggest growing utility, especially considering Avalanche's notable efficiency in revenue generations. In short, Ethereum is a leader in TVL and economic activity, while other blockchains, despite varying TVLs, showcase vibrancy through transaction volumes and revenues. Let's evaluate the development activity and innovation within each blockchain. A blockchain with a strong development community, active core developers, and more commits may suggest ongoing improvement and evolution. Ethereum leads the blockchain space with a robust development community, boasting 305 core developers and a substantial 8.74K commits. This signifies a high level of ongoing innovation and improvement. Tron, with 9 core developers and 56 commits,
and Binance Smart Chain with 29 developers and 314 commits show moderate levels of development activity.
Arbitrum, Solana, and Avalanche display active development with 36, 35, and 33 core developers respectively, coupled with a commendable number of commitments. Optimism with 36 developers and an impressive 2.35K commits reflects a dynamic and highly innovative environment. Polygon, despite a comparatively smaller core developer count, maintains a solid commitment to development with 20 developers and 345 commits. And let's analyze the market performance and stability of each blockchain's native cryptocurrency. The prevalence and usage of stable coins within the ecosystem can measure stability and potential as a medium of exchange. Among the leading blockchains analyzed, Ethereum stands out with a substantial market price of 2.58K and a considerable market cap of USD 69.744 billion. Its robust performance signifies of its dominance and reliability. Despite having a lower individual token value at USD 0.1, Tron boasts a significant stablecoin's market cap of USD 52.099 billion, indicating its wide speed for stable transactions. Binance Smart Chain holds a relatively high token value of USD 309.3, but a stablecoin's market cap of 4.736 billion suggests a smaller footprint in stablecoin transactions already. And Optimism, both Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, showcase similar token values at USD 2.49K. Still, Arbitrum has a higher stablecoins market cap of $2.109 billion and potential for widespread adoption. Solana, Polygon, and Avalanche exhibit comparatively lower token values, but vary in stablecoins market cap. Solana, USD 0.3, holds a stablecoins market cap of $1.915 billion, while $7 billion for MIDI $8 billion. And this example of Red House, the generators, and to make sure let's examine the level of adoption and user interest by looking at inflows, coin prices, and market capitalization. A blockchain with increasing user interest and growing market capitalization may indicate a higher level of adoption. Ethereum leads in user interest and adoption with a significant net inflow of negative 8.45 million USD, a high token price of 2.49K USD, and an impressive market cap of new 299.283 billion USD. Despite a negative net inflow, the substantial token value and market cap showcase strong community engagement and trust. Arbitrum follows with a positive net inflow of 548.43 thousand US dollars, a moderate token price of 1.9 US dollars, and a market cap of 2.361 billion US dollars. The positive net influence suggests increasing interest and investment, indicating potential growth. On Tron, with a token price of 0.1 USD and a market cap of 9.739 billion USD, demonstrates a lower token value than some of its close contestants. However, the substantial market cap suggests a considerable user base and adoption. Meanwhile, Binance Smart Chain showcases a positive net inflow of 548.53K US dollars, and that despite a negative net inflow of minus 64.35K USD. Solana exhibits a competitive token price of 92.6 USD and a notable market cap of 40.09 billion USD and market interest and adoption. And Polygon, Optimism, and Avalanche demonstrate varying levels of user interest. Polygon's substantial negative net inflow of minus 5 million USD contrasts with a lower token price of 0.8 USD and a market cap of 7.04 billion USD. Optimism, with a positive net inflow of 59.82 CALs and dollars, boasts a higher token price of 3.2 USD and a market cap of billion USD 64. With a slightly negative net inflow of minus 0.25 million USD, Avalanche showcases a mid-range token price of 32.6 USD.